Hello and welcome to Michelle's World. Today we're going to Thailand. We're going to prepare Bangkok style Pad Thai. It's delicious. If you think it's good in a restaurant, wait until you try it at home. So come to my kitchen and I'll show you how to prepare it.
Ground 1 cup of roasted peanuts, and set them aside. These are Pad Thai rice noodles. Pour hot water over the noodles. Make sure they're covered with water and set them aside as well. Cut 1 package of firm tofu into cubes, like this. Now let's prepare the vegetables. This is spring onion, which I cut into about 1.5 inches length each. Garlic chives, which brings so much flavor to this dish. Red onion chopped up finely, like this. And 3 cloves of garlic. I'm using fresh shrimp, which I peel and devein myself. Cut the back of the shrimp like this and just pull out the vein. Do the same on the other side. If you prefer, you can buy frozen, already deveined and peeled. Cut 4 strips of deboned and skinned chicken breast or thigh. These are Asian pumpkin pickle strips, which you can buy at any Asian supermarket. Cut them up like this. They're delicious. And a handful of bean sprouts. Now let's make the sauce. 1/4 cup each of fish sauce, tamarind sauce, and soy sauce. A sprinkle of hot chili pepper, and 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Mix everything together well. Now let's start cooking. If you don't have a wok, just use a non-stick frying pan. Add about 5 tablespoons of coconut oil. Let the coconut oil get nice and hot. Add the chicken, tofu, and red onion. Mix everything together well. Cover and allow 10 minutes of cooking time. Add 2 eggs and mix them with the rest of the ingredients. Now pour in that scrumptious sauce and mix it in very well. It's going to thicken as it cooks, or you can add some cornstarch. Add the pickled pumpkin. Now it's time to add the shrimp. I add the shrimp last because I don't want the shrimp to become overcooked and then kind of hard and chewy. Time to add those wonderful rice noodles for Pad Thai. Mix it all together well. Add the bean sprouts and green onion. Press the 3 garlic cloves and add the ground peanuts. If you like the strong flavor of garlic, I suggest pressing them into your food rather than cooking them in the beginning because all the flavor is there if you do not cook the garlic thoroughly. Let's serve this up. If you could only smell the aroma, it's mouth-watering. Usually, Pad Thai is served with lime and a side of chili pepper, more ground peanuts, spring onion, and bean sprouts. I personally don't care for all these extras.
What an unbelievable treat. Try it. I hope you will give it a go and cook your own Pad Thai at home. I guarantee you're going to like it. when we put our heart and soul into food, it really pays off and comes out delicious. See you again soon on Michella's World. And if you like this meal, please click here and see more Asian cooking. And please don't forget to subscribe. See you again soon. Bye.